Hi everyone, it's Toyslab from Toyslab Creations. Today I want to make a child's turban. This should size around age 3 to 5 years old. So for this project, you're going to be needing 4mm hook, and I'm doubling this fingering weight yarn to make swatch weight yarn. So to start this project, you're going to start with a slip knot, and then we chain 38. Note that the chain we are making is for the height of the turban. We are going to be working up for the circumference of the turban. So continue and chain 38, and I'll join you at the end. So I've chained 38. I'm going to be making double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, you're going to skip those 2, and in the third one double crochet. And I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each chain across. So at the end of this row, we have a total of 36 double crochet. I have made 36 double crochet for row 1. So moving forward, row 2, chain 2, turn your work. You are going to be making front post. In this first stitch, front post double crochet. And in the next one, back post double crochet. So I'm just going to be alternating front post and back post double crochet for the entire row. I'm just going to be repeating and alternating between front post and back post double crochet. And this row 2 is the repeat row for this pattern. So continue, and I'll join you at the end of this row. So I'm about finishing row 2. This is the front post double crochet. So I'm going to be finishing the row with a back post double crochet. So for row 3, we just chain 2, turn our work, and then we do a front post double crochet. Remember to start every row with a front post double crochet, then a back post double crochet, and keep alternating. The row should end with a back post double crochet on every row. So we're just going to keep repeating this till we get to row 38. Sorry, this is the front post. You do a front post, then you do a back post double crochet, then a front post double crochet. So you keep alternating this until you get to row 38. So continue, and I will join you at the end of row 38. So I've gotten to the end of row 38 and I've fastened off. So I want to make an edge for this turban. So I'm going to be joining with a slip knot. I'm going to be joining the yarn back with a slip knot. So let's make a slip knot. And on one side of the turban, I'm going to rejoin the yarn. So I'll put my hook and slip stitch through. So I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. That counts as a double crochet. Then I'll double crochet again into the side of this first double crochet. That makes 2 double crochet there. Then I'll move on to the next. You can see this is another hole. This is inside of the next front post double crochet. So I'll make 2 double crochet there too. So from here on, I'm going to be alternating between 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. So this is the next side of the double crochet, front post double crochet. So I'm going to be making 1 double crochet into this, then 2 into the next, then 1 into the next. I'll keep alternating like this till I get to the last 2, where I will make 2 in each of the last 2. So keep alternating between 2 double crochets and 1 double crochets in the sides of the double crochet that we just, the front post double crochet that we just made for this turban. Continue. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So I finished making it and I've cut off the yarn at this end. So I'm going to sew it around here for the turban shape. So I want to be at the middle of my work. So I want to count. This is row 2. This is how you count when you are working front post and back post double crochet. This first one here is the second row. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So this is 19 and there will be 19 here. So I'm going to do it around this point. I'm going to be sewing it so around the back post too. I hope you can see well. Then through this, then again through this. I will continue this for 7 front post double crochets, then through the back post too, then through the front post. This 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 3 more to go. Through the back post, through the front post, back post, front post. Sorry. And this is the 7th one. So I'll just tie a knot. I'll make sure the knot is very tight. This is giving us that desired shape. So I'm going to make it sure it's very tight. I'm going to do that once more. Then I'll cut off this yarn. So you can leave it this way, or you can decide to add an embellishment. I have crocheted a small flower here. You can attach on top of that. You can do it with the same color, you can do it with a different color, or you can leave it as it is. I think it looks beautiful this way, whichever way you want to do it. So let me attach my flower. After attaching the flower, all there is left is to join this top and then to sew up the side. So let me do that and I'll show you. I finished attaching the flower. So to sew up the top of the hat, you're going to be going back and forth through the holes created by the double crochets on the side. You can see, just go back and forth, passing the yarn needle through it. You can see this is how we're going to close the top of our hat. I think I like this turban without the flower. If you do like it with the flower, let me know in the comments below. There will be a blog post about this art in my blog, and there will be a paid version on Ravelry and Etsy. If you do like this tutorial, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So let's finish the top of this art. I'm just going back and forth the top of the hat. So you can see how we have folded this. So this is going to be the right side, so I'm going to sew on the wrong side. So we're going to join this piece together and try to sew the top tight. You can see it's still kind of open. So we're going to close that part. And then all that will be left to do is to join the sides of the hat. So you can see that the top is closed now. Just give it a little more. Yes, you can see it's closed now. So you can just tie it here. And so we're going to sew up this side of the hat with the same thread that we are using. So continue, and I'll join you at the end of this row. So this is what it looks like after we have sewn up the seam. I hope you like this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.